My name is Angel Viscarra. This is Anai Medina, and I'm doing the extra credit assignment in the first period AP Psychology, an interview or an experiment with a 2 to 6-year-old in the pre-operational stage of development. Okay, this is the first question that Mr. Lloyd assigned us for extra credit. Anai, which of these Play-Doh balls is bigger, or are they the same size? Which one is bigger, or are they the same size? You think they're the same size? They look the same. Or are they? They're the same? Or what? You think this one's bigger? Okay. She thinks this ball is bigger. So now, gonna flatten it out, change the shape. And I'm gonna, which one is bigger? Okay. Which one is bigger, Anai? Tell me which one's bigger. Alright, and the child thinks that this one is bigger. This proves the theory. Just because I changed the size does not change the mass, and a child in the pre-operational stage will always believe that when you change the shape to look larger, she believes this one is larger, when in reality they are the same size. Okay, on to the second stage of our experiment. We are going to do the water glass phase of the experiment. Okay, let me round these guys up. Alright, Anai, which one has which glass? As you can see, they're both filled to the same height. Which glass has more water, or are they the same? Are they higher, or are they the same?
It'd be higher.
Which are they the same, or is one bigger than the other? Or they look the same? You tell me, which one looks bigger, which one looks smaller? Okay, she says that this one is bigger. Actually, they have the same amount of water in each. So let's see how she reacts when I put in a different shaped glass. Okay, now Anai, we're going to ask you, which one has more water? This one. Actually, it has the same amount of water as it had before, but because I changed the shape and make it more vertically tall, she believes this one has more water. Okay, we're done with 2 steps. Now I move on to the third phase of our experiment. I'm going to line 2 rows of 10 Play-Doh balls, all equally sized. Okay. Bless you. Okay, here we go. Alright. Okay. Here we go. Okay, as you can see here, I have 2 rows of 10 Play-Doh balls. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 10 on each side. Okay, Anai, which line has more Play-Doh balls, Anai? Or are they the same? When I line them up, which side has more? Or are they the same? Or do they both have the same? You think they have the same? Alright, she believes they both have the same, and she is correct when she thinks that. Now watch what happens when she thinks that, when I do this. Okay. And which line of Play-Doh is there more? She believes this row is longer. Just because I changed the line, the distance between the balls, she believes there is more Play-Doh in this line than in this one. Another, once again, proving the theory that, her visual perception is still not fully, her spatial reasoning is still not fully developed because she's in the pre-operational stage of development. Okay, now I move on to the questions phase of our experiment. Okay, here we go. Alright, just a few questions. Why does the sun shine? Why do you think the sun shines? Does it shine to keep you warm? Does it shine to light up your world? What is it? Why does it shine? Because it's warm? That's why the sun shines? Because it's hot. Wait, why does the sun shine? Or you don't know? You just don't know, do you? Okay. Next question on IE. Why is the grass green? Do you know why the grass is green? You don't know? You really not sure yet? Alright, well, through this experiment we obviously proved that the spatial reasoning with a child in the pre-operational stage is slightly altered, as you can see on IE. The few experiments we did, she thought that the glass that had the same amount of water as it did before was actually bigger because of the shape of the bottle. And the Play-Doh, both of the Play-Doh experiments prove that when we change the shape of an object, she believes that the mass changes as well. So the theory is proven. Thank you for your time, and hopefully I get the extra credit points.